What's going on YouTube? Modeling that back at you with the next build update on the Marty Robbins Charger. So at this point, got the clear coat onto the body that's sitting under cover just to try to keep as much dust off as it can. I've already taken a look and it looks like there is some spots I'm going to have to sand out and polish up, but again, is the way it is with gloss. Went ahead and focused now on getting the chassis all completed, which is basically to that point at this juncture. So bottom side's all done. Went ahead and went with the red and white for the shocks. Truthfully, if that was prototypical or not 100% sure, but just kind of add a little bit of color. The other thing I went ahead and did was use some beading wire and actually just made a couple of coil springs. Went with gold just to kind of give it a little pop, a little pizzazz underneath. Again, probably would have been either gloss black or some other color, but again, I mean, it was Marty Robbins. He was definitely known for having a very catchy color on the car. So I got the wiring and glued in just inside of some holes that I drilled into the motor. Like this one, I think, yep, I'm gonna have to glue that one back in tomorrow, but yeah, got them ready to start the wiring job, get that all wired up in the firing order. The main dashboard is all done. Went ahead and used some power slide gauge decals, and then put just a dollop of Mod Podge gloss onto each of them just to kind of give that gold effect. Use a Molotow for the mirrors. So got those up and in. Spastics Fire Red on the fire extinguisher with then a little bit of Molotow and some Vallejo, or I'm sorry, Vallejo flat black on the fire extinguisher. Still got a couple of things I need to do. I got to get the rear end cooler built and put into place there, but most of the way finished up here. Probably I'll also, once this is fully dried and locked in, I'll come back with a little bit of dark aluminum on that roll bar just to kind of give it a little bit more of a aluminum look. Not wanting, super shiny looking metal, but just wanted to definitely get that finished up. So as you can see, coming together quite nicely. Got the twist out of the chassis for the most part. Had to really twist on it to get that out. Was kind of concerned about doing it, but just basically had to bite the bullet and just do it. So yeah, about another night working on the rolling chassis. Then I'll get the gloss work all finished up on the actual body, get them married together, and we should be finished in probably about another week here. So yeah, basically keeping with the pattern of about a build a month. So hopefully you guys are liking the videos. Definitely enjoying seeing the comments, so definitely keep them coming. Any questions, anything like that, definitely feel free. Post those down below, and I'll try to answer them best of my ability and as quick as I can. So again, hopefully you guys are enjoying the series, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.